at work.
So you can mail it, you can either come down to the court to pay it, you can pay it online. There's a phone number I can give you where you can pay it. There's kiosk in CVS and Myers called DivDat, D-I-V as in Victor, D-A-T as in Tom. You can pay it there as well.
Okay.
Right? So I'm gonna
Yes,
call it,
ma'am.
this is the people versus Kia Rice, ticket number P1356179, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number 213559441, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Corporal McCree.
Corporal Jamie McCree, badge 2865.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Kia Rice.
Yes, Your Honor, defendant wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution and plead to one count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, raise your hand, Ms. Rice.
Ma'am.
Raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I affirm.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to the court and to Mr. Soroki, the attorney, about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Going to direct your attention to the date of May 22nd, 2022 at 4:32 p.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2019 Kia vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle on that date and time?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me. Was that vehicle stopped in the city of Detroit on that date and time?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Was that vehicle stopped in the city of Detroit on that date and time?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied with the factual basis. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
Yes,
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. As I indicated, Ms. Rice, there's a $200 fine that you have to pay by February 9th.
Yeah.
If you pay the fine, you don't get any more tickets during that time, no violations, no citations. So essentially, no further police contact. You do all of that, you come back on February 9th at 8:35, and you've paid the fine, this will be dismissed off your record, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions?
No, I do have one. You mentioned the kiosk. You said they're at CVS or
They have it at some of the CVS, I don't know if it's at all of them, but CVS or Meyer,
okay.
it's called DivDat, D-I-V as in Victor, D-H-E as in Tom.
Okay. Okay, or I can pay it at the court, right?
You can come down to the courthouse, you can pay it over the phone, you can pay it online.
Okay. All right. I'm all, I got it.
All right, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome. I have an offer for Megan Russell, who's in room number 4.
okay, what is the offer?
Her offer would be to, instead of drag racing, it'll be fail to use due care and caution to waste utility maintenance vehicle. It's still 2 points.
It's 2 points?
but, it's still 2 points, yes. And then the no insurance misdemeanor would be dismissed, and the no ops would be dismissed as well.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
SOS wasn't working. Do you need a file?